Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Scandinavian design where simplicity meets elegance and functionality coexist with beauty. Scandinavian design, a movement that began in the Nordic countries, has taken the world by storm with its distinctive approach to living spaces. Scandinavian design is a design movement that epitomizes simplicity, minimalism, and functionality. Originating in the early 20th century, it flourished in the 1950s across the Nordic countries Denmark, Finland, Norway, Sweden, and Iceland. This style is characterized by a clean, pared back aesthetic that prioritizes utility and beauty in equal measure. It's a style that celebrates light, natural elements, and a connection to the environment. With its neutral color palettes, emphasizes on natural light and love for organic materials. Scandinavian design transforms homes into serene sanctuaries. It's not just a design choice, it's a way of life that encourages comfort, coziness, and a harmonious balance with nature. Join us as we explore the timeless appeal of Scandinavian design and discover how it can bring a sense of calm and simplicity to your own space.